Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Globe. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the possessive pronoun versus possessive adjective. Let's get started. Let's see what is possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that can replace a possessive noun and still show the ownership. Let's see some sentence using possessive nouns. This car is Diana's and this is Diana's car. Look at these two sentences. In these, same thing written in different ways. In both sentences, Diana's act as a possessive noun. Now I can replace Diana's into possessive pronoun. This car is hers. In this, Diana's is changed into hers. It acts as a possessive pronoun. Let's look at this. This is her car. In this, the Diana's is changed into her. It acts as a possessive adjective. Let's see what is possessive adjective. Look at this sentence. This car is her. In this, hers is act as a possessive pronoun. Look at the next sentence. In this is her car. In this, her is act as a possessive adjective. Let's see what is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is placed just before the noun and it describes the noun. Let's see the second sentence. In this, the car is act as a noun which described or modified with the term her. So, it known as possessive adjective. Look at the first sentence. This car is hers. It does not have any noun after hers. So, it acts as possessive pronoun. This how differentiate the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Remember, always the possessive adjective is placed just before the noun. Let's see some possessive pronouns. Mine, possessive adjective my. Our, possessive adjective our. Yours, possessive adjective your. His, possessive adjective also his. Hers, possessive adjective also her. Theirs, possessive adjective also their. Let's see some example. This book is mine. In this, mine acts as a possessive pronoun because it doesn't have any noun after mine. Let's look at this. This is my book. In this, books is a noun which is more described by using the term my. So, my acts as a possessive adjective. Let's see the next example. This house is ours. In this, ours acts as a possessive pronoun because there is no any noun after ours. Let's look at the next sentence. This is our house. In this, house is a noun which is described by the word our. So, our is act as a possessive adjective. Let's see some more example. This seat is yours. In this, yours act as possessive pronoun because it does not have any noun after yours. So, it acts as a possessive pronoun. This is your sheet. In this, we know sheet is a noun which described by the word your. So, your act as a possessive adjective. Look at this sentence also. This pen is hers. Look at the term hers. There is no any verb after hers. So, it acts as a possessive pronoun. Next sentence. This is her pen. In this, we already know pen is a noun which is described by the term her. So, it acts as a possessive adjective because we know always the possessive adjective is placed before the noun. This book is. In this, Is this act as a possessive pronoun? Let's look at the next sentence. This is his book. In this, the book is a noun which is described by the term his. So his act as a possessive adjective in the second sentence. Look at this sentence. This car is theirs. Look at the theirs. There is no any noun after theirs. So it acts as a possessive pronoun. Look at the next sentence. This is their car. In this, the noun is car. Car is described by the term their. So it acts as a possessive adjective. Already we know the possessive adjective placed just before the noun. So in this, they act as a possessive adjective. Look at this overview. Before look at this overview, we already studied about the subjective and objective pronoun in our previous video. Those who haven't watched those videos, I will given the link here and also in the description box. Please watch those videos. Now we move on to the short overview with subjective objective pronoun and possessive pronoun with possessive adjective. Let's look. First person singular, subjective pronoun I, objective pronoun me, possessive pronoun mine. Possessive adjective my. The second person singular, subjective pronoun you, objective pronoun also you, possessive pronoun yours, and the possessive adjective your. Let's look at the third person singular, she, objective pronoun her, possessive pronoun hers, and the possessive adjective her. The third person singular, he, objective pronoun him, possessive pronoun his, and possessive adjective also his. In third person singular, subjective pronoun it, objective pronoun also it, but the possessive pronoun it's as possessive. We don't use it's as a possessive pronoun, but the possessive adjective with its. The first person plural, subjective pronoun we, objective pronoun us, possessive pronoun ours, the possessive adjective our. The second person plural, subjective pronoun you, objective pronoun also you, possessive pronoun yours, and the possessive adjective your. The third person plural, subjective pronoun they, objective pronoun them, and the possessive pronoun theirs, possessive adjective their. Exercise for you. Let's try this exercise and comment your answers below. I'm going to finish today's lesson. Hope you see you with next lesson. Bye guys.